All right, back with getting ready for off-roading or whatever. Don't remember what I did last, but I'm pretty sure that I know I didn't show you, but I put metal door handles now to be able to unlock it so that won't break. And then I got me some new kicker. I went with KS series from Crutchfield. They literally include the wiring harness to plug into the back of it, and plugs right into the OEM one. It doesn't go into this stop thing, but whatever, I can still zip tie right there. But literally no soldering, no heat shrink, no nothing. It's plug and play, done. I had to go to the hardware store and buy some longer bolts, and then I bought some washers that have rubber on the thing so this doesn't shake. Make sure it's gonna be a good installation. Now I just gotta throw the door panel back on and then go do the same thing on that side. And boom, just like that, we're pretty much all put back together. Just need to find this pin. The one that I have broke, so I need a new one. But one broken thing to get this door open, that's not bad at all. Get that one done. All right, it's the next day. I worked late into the night to get this door panel all fixed on, new speakers in there. I got off work early today, so I came back home and bled the coolant system on my truck, so it was super ooper duper low. And that is way overfilled now. But got the system bled. It was about a gallon short. It was pretty crazy. Here's the old radiator cap. All sorts of gunk on there. And grossness. It's like, I'll just replace it. They're cheap. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do a bunch of cleaning now. The old parts, clean out the whole truck. And then I'm gonna go on a test drive. But we'll see how the test drive goes, and then we'll end this video out. So, yeah. All right, well, hopefully you enjoyed a few of those clips of me just messing around with the truck. Actually, kind of like torture testing it. Engine does not get hot. I got it up to like 202 was the hottest I got, and I was railing on it a lot. Transmission still gets warm, but I already knew that for a while. So she's done and fixed. Wait. You think I was gonna end the video at like 2.5 minutes into this thing? No, we didn't even give you an audio test. Yes, we went torture tested the engine because I was having overheating problems with my engine. It was getting really, really hot. Got that done, and I showed you guys. That was pretty epic on the 2 little shots that I got. But we gotta bring this truck into the new age. So jump into 2 different more videos that I filmed. More mods! This mod session is now going to be bringing the truck into the new age, putting technology in it. We got an UltraGauge. Gonna be putting that in. I'm gonna put it in right there, just below the dash. Still see everything, still can get that locker button. And I'm just gonna use double-sided sticky tape on this little clip so I can clip it on and off, just in case I want to be able to take it out and put it in another vehicle. Plus it has this wire, and I'm gonna route it so I can actually literally just unplug it from the OBD2. It's right there. I just ran it through where the e-brake is, and then I'm gonna try to figure out a clean way to put it around and tuck it in the steering wheel or whatever. So I'm gonna get that done real quick. All right, so I think I got it installed how I want it. Be able to see it good. And then something weird about me, if you do want to know, I leave the screen protector and everything. I've had this installed for over a year, still have the screen protector on it. But I literally just tucked it in right here. It goes up, and then I literally have all of the extra wire tucked up inside here. I don't move the steering wheel up and down, so it shouldn't really matter. And then it's just gonna loop down and down into the OBD port. I think it's a clean enough job. If I decide to do it differently later, I'll let you know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm really thinking leaving it like that, just because if my sister with her 4Runner goes bad, something goes wrong with it, I can use it as a scanner for hers, and it'll actually have all the gauges and everything up that I'd want to read on it. just like on my truck. So I think it's good, but let's go in and show you what the next technology thing that I'm adding to the truck, because this video is all about technology. Hint, hint, hint. Uh-oh. We got to take this apart because we got to get the truck into 2022. 10-inch screen. So, oh, and we got to get my sister's 4Runner into, I don't know, 2010-ish. So, let's start taking things apart real quick. And just like that, 5 minutes later, we got the head unit out. So now we got to go to the 4Runner and take its head unit out, and hopefully this one just plugs in place. All right, sister just got home with her 4Runner, so we got tools to start taking its radio off and out so we can put my old double din in it so she can have some Bluetooth. So let's get this crappy JVC head unit that's actually going in like strobe mode and dying. The regular radio even hardly works, so let's replace it. I don't know who the last person was to do this, but yeah, it wasn't done very good. That's gonna be a lot of fun to clean up. All right, getting the sister's 4Runner done first. Just mocked up the radio from my speaker from my truck. It's the Bluetooth radio in hers, and it works flawlessly, perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and get her ready to get wired up, and then we're gonna throw her all back together and go for a drive and see how it sounds. Good morning, it's the next day. We are still working on the 4Runner and the Tacoma, but now they're next to each other. So let me show you what I got done last night. I just needed to figure out a couple wires, and now I got to figure out what I want to do, because I have my transmission gauge hooked up to my radio, so I'm gonna have to rewire that at the same time, and trying to figure out exactly how I want to do it, because I kind of want to be able to unplug my radio and not unplug my trans gauge. We're gonna have to see what we can do. This is what we've got done so far, and our pigtail is just these 8 speaker wires. Then we got all these other wires we still gotta hook up. So let's get to her. All right, guys, it does not look like I upgraded at all. Looks kind of like I downgraded, but I think that's gonna be a huge upgrade. Let's get her finished, put back together, and then we're gonna reveal how big the screen is. Or should we tease you and go finish the 4Runner? Well, it's on. I will probably show you it tonight when it's all on, just to double show you that the screen is nice, and I'm gonna drive around today and use it, and I want to see what my impressions are. But let's go get the 4Runner done, and I already had that system in here, so that'll be easy. Boom, and just like that, she's got a new radio in her. She's got a double din. Fits perfect all the way around the trim. So all we got to do now is have her plug in her own phone and get her presets how she likes it, and it'll be good. You know, she sounds just good as she did in my truck. Now she's got easy Bluetooth and be able to answer her phones from on her car. All right, we got to have our safety warning. Oh wait, no, it's just a sticker. So let's have this honorary pull it off. My volume knob did not like it. But now it makes me feel like I need a screen protector to make it so it doesn't get glary or anything. Oh, hi. Alright, well, I'm going to go drive around and mess with this and enjoy it. And then I'll get you guys my opinion a little later. Alright, so we are back the next day. I spent all night freaking driving around and messing around with that radio. And it is fantastic. Except that I forgot one pretty important part of having Bluetooth. I gotta have a speaker. Microphone, not a speaker. I gotta have a microphone. The microphone on my last radio was just inside the unit. I didn't need to have to put an external one. I could, but I didn't have to. So I was hoping that I didn't have to do it with this one. Unfortunately, it's not that way, so I have to install it. So I gotta redo that, but I'm working on another electrical video for the truck, so no big deal. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this apart, and then I'll gotta test that, and then I'll let you guys know my full-on opinion on this. Alright guys, it has been snowing and raining and being super bad weather the last week. I've been trying to get this video finished and edited, But besides the point. So in this video, I did all the tech upgrade to bring it into 2022. I got the new scan gauge on it, the UltraGauge on it, which is super, super nice. Got new speakers in the door. They sound great. I got a new head unit with a big, huge display. Biggest thing that I love about it is it has Onyx off-road. So I have my off-road maps. Yeah, I so far have loved this radio. If you want a full-on review video of that radio, let me know. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.